Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contacts into GoHighLevel using CSV easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer contacts into GoHighLevel using a CSV file, first, ensure you have your contacts organized in a CSV format. Open your spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet if you haven't already. In the first row, set up headers for the columns you will include, such as name, email, phone number, and any other relevant fields. Fill in the rows beneath the headers with the contact information for each person. Once your list is complete, save the file as a CSV. If you're using Excel, click on File, then Save As, and choose CSV from the format options. If using Google Sheets, click on File, then Download, and select comma-separated values. Now, log in to your GoHighLevel account. From the dashboard, locate the Contacts section in the left-hand menu and click on it. In the Contacts section, find the option to import contacts, usually indicated by an import button or link. Click on the Import button. A prompt will appear asking you to upload your CSV file. Click on Choose File and select the CSV file you just saved. After selecting the file, click on Open to upload it into GoHighLevel. Once your file uploads, the system may prompt you to map the CSV columns to the corresponding fields in GoHighLevel. Review the mapping carefully and make adjustments as necessary to ensure each field matches correctly. After mapping is complete, click on the button to start the import process. The system will process your file, which may take a few moments depending on the number of contacts. Once the import is finished, you will receive a notification confirming the number of contacts successfully imported. Finally, check your contacts list to ensure all entries are correctly imported and displayed. You have now successfully transferred your contacts into GoHighLevel using a CSV file. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.